Hey everyone! Welcome back to your ultimate stop for coin collecting knowledge, rare finds, and coin values from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you're passionate about coins like I am today. We're diving deep into a classic American coin, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar. You might have one of these in your collection, or maybe you found one in your change. But the big question is, what is its value in circulated condition? And could it be worth more than face value? Let's find out. The Kennedy half-dollar series began in 1964, just months after President John F. Kennedy's tragic assassination. The coin was created to honor his memory and quickly became a symbol of national pride. Now, the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar is especially interesting because it came after the U.S. stopped using silver in these coins for general circulation. Let's start with the basics: no mint mark, Philadelphia, D, Denver, and S, San Francisco. Composition *** copper nickel clad, no silver, weight ** 11.34 grams. Here's an important note. Only 40% silver Kennedy half dollars were made from 1965 to 1970. By 1971, the U.S. Mint switched to a copper nickel composition, and that includes the 1974 issues. Let's take a look at the mintage numbers. Philadelphia, no mint mark ** over 201 million. Denver, D ** over 79 million. San Francisco, S, proof. Only ** around 2.6 million. Now, let's talk value, what you're really here for. If you've got a circulated 1974 Kennedy half dollar from either Philadelphia or Denver, and it shows average wear from being in pockets and purses for years, here's what you can expect: *50 to $1.00, depending on condition. So yes, even in circulated condition, many of these coins trade for around face value, but some can go a little higher for nice-looking examples. While most 1974 Kennedy half dollars are common, error coins or exceptionally high-grade pieces can fetch much more. Let me show you a few things to look out for. Double die obverse, DDO, ***. Some rare 1974 D coins have a noticeable doubling in the words "In God We Trust" or "Liberty." These errors are hard to spot but can be worth $100 to $300 or more, depending on the clarity of the doubling and overall condition. High-grade uncirculated coins, MS65 or better, ***. Coins graded MS65 or higher by PCGS or NGC can sell for $20 to $100 plus, especially if they're from the Denver Mint, which had slightly better strike quality in 1974. Proof coins from San Francisco, 1974, S, ***. These were not made for circulation and have a mirror-like finish. If you find one in great condition, it could be worth $4 to $10, depending on the market. So, is your 1974 Kennedy half dollar worth keeping? It's in near-perfect condition. It's an error coin, like a DDO. It has sentimental or historical value. It's heavily worn and damaged. You just have one and you're short on storage space still. It's always cool to keep one for your collection, especially to represent the post-silver era of U.S. coinage. What about you? Do you have a 1974 Kennedy half dollar in your collection? Let's take a step back and look at the history behind the Kennedy half dollar, especially the 1974 version. The Kennedy half dollar was first issued in 1964, just months after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963. The nation was in shock and mourning, and within days, there were calls to honor the late president with a coin bearing his image. Originally, the Franklin half dollar was still in production, but Congress and the U.S. Mint quickly approved replacing Benjamin Franklin with John F. Kennedy on the half dollar. Gilroy Roberts *** designed the obverse, featuring a left-facing portrait of President Kennedy. Frank Gasparo ***, who later became chief engraver of the U.S. Mint, designed the reverse with the presidential seal. The first Kennedy half dollars in 1964 were made of 90% silver, but due to rising silver prices and hoarding by collectors and the public, the government changed the coin's metal composition over time. By 1971, the U.S. Mint removed silver from the circulating half dollar altogether. From that year forward, including the 1974 Kennedy half dollar, the coins were made of a copper nickel clad composition, a pure copper core sandwiched between two layers of copper nickel. That brings us to 1974. This year wasn't a key date in the series, but it's still part of the post-silver era and a popular piece among collectors for its design and history. Millions were produced for circulation, making it common in pocket change for decades. One historical note worth mentioning is the 1974 D double die obverse, which gained attention among collectors. It's one of the more valuable era varieties in the Kennedy half-dollar series, IN 1975 and 1976. The Kennedy half-dollar temporarily featured a bicentennial design on the reverse to commemorate America's 200th birthday. But 1974 was the last year of the original reverse design before that short change. The 1974 coin is part of a transition, a bridge between the classic look and the special edition bicentennial coins that followed. Drop a comment below and let us know the mint mark and condition. I read every comment and would love to hear about your finds. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from. We've got more coin stories and value guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting!